In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, tap on More icon then, and select Settings. Here you will notice blocked numbers, and you can smoothly block unknown color if you want to. So just click here, and from now on, non-unknown color will be able to reach you. And obviously you can unblock it the same way, just by using the switcher. And also you can add some number manually by yourself. To do it, just mark Add a number and provide the phone number that you want to apply. Tap on block, and that's it. Then if you'd like to block some particular contact, just open Contacts, pick the one that you would like to block, mark More, and select Block Contact. Click on Block to apply it, and as you can see, here you've got the sign of blockade. Then whenever you would like to remove this blockade, tap on More, and click on Unblock Number. And that's it, that would be all. This is how call blocking looks and this device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.